Today we will talk about the odd one out. We will learn how to spot the odd one out and say the first sound for each picture and try to guess the odd one out. So let's start. Look at the pictures, say what they are out loud. What sound does each one start with? Which picture doesn't start with the same sound? See if you can find the odd one out. Which one is the odd one out? We have ball, ball, banana, banana, bed, bed, egg, egg, bike, bike. All these pictures start with B sound except one. It's egg. Egg starts with E sound, so egg is the odd one out. Here we have monkey, monkey, zip, zip, mouse, mouse, moon, moon, mop, mop. Yes, the odd one out is zip because it starts with Z sound and all the pictures start with M sound. Here we have lemon, lemon, line, line, ladybug, ladybug, fish, fish, lamb, lamb. Yes, that's right. We have fish is the odd one out because it starts with F sound. Here we have peg, peg, sock, sock, sausage, sausage, sandwich, sandwich, sun, sun. Yes, the odd one out is peg because it starts with P sound. Here we have ring, ring, robot, robot, umbrella, umbrella, rainbow, rainbow, rocket, rocket. Yes, all these pictures start with R sound except one. Yes, it's umbrella. It starts with A sound, so this is the odd one out. And here we have coat, coat, nose, nose, cake, cake, cat, cat, car, car. Yes, the odd one out is nose because it starts with N sound. And here we have jelly, jelly, heart, heart, hand, hand, hippo, hippo, hat, hat. All these pictures start with H sound except jelly starts with J sound, so jelly is the odd one out. And here we have key, key, kite, kite, orange, orange, king, king, kettle, kettle. Yes, the odd one out is orange because it starts with O sound. We have duck, duck, donut, donut, donkey, donkey, dice, dice, tiger, tiger. All these pictures start with D sound except tiger starts with T sound. So tiger is the odd one out. And here we have apple, apple, web, web, arrow, arrow, ant, ant, anchor, anchor. Yes, web is the odd one out because it starts with W sound. And this is the end of our video. See you later.